To send Bitcoin peer-to-peer on Cash App, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and tapping the Investing tab. From there, select Bitcoin and then tap the Sell button. Instead of selling, you will be using the Send Bitcoin option. So tap the Send Bitcoin button. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address or scan their QR code. So have that information ready. It is crucial to ensure the address is correct to avoid losing your Bitcoin. Once you have entered the recipient's address, you will be asked to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can choose to send a specific dollar amount or a specific amount of Bitcoin. After entering the amount, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct, including the recipient's address and the amount of Bitcoin being sent. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction. It is also important to note that Cash App charges a fee for Bitcoin transactions. So factor that into the amount you are sending. Additionally, be aware of the current market price of Bitcoin, as it can fluctuate rapidly. To increase security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Cash App account and keep your mobile device and account information secure. Finally, once the transaction is confirmed, the recipient will receive the Bitcoin in their Cash App account, and you will receive a confirmation of the transaction. By following these steps, you can easily send Bitcoin peer-to-peer on Cash App, but always prioritize security and double-check transaction details to avoid any issues.